Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you where class part 2. This is the practical and real-time examples we'll see by preparing the select statement with using of where class. And here, most probably as on our previous lecture, once again you go through it. Here we discussed about the using of the operators and the logical operators, equal to operator and greater than, less than, such a simple examples I'll show you. And by using these, you can write like a large extension and extensive complex type of SQL queries also you can write by applying these very like a where clause simple operators of logical as well as the operators of less than and greater than and all the things you will apply in your SQL statements. Let's just simply for this example I'll use for customers name of the customers. Okay, let's see now. Select star from very simple. It's a sales start customers. Okay, terminate the query. Press F5. Let's see. This is the result set we are able to getting successfully and properly. Now, what I would like to show you. Yeah, here what I would like to show you by applying of the where clause, I want to filter a data rows based on the first name of the user. How it is very simple. Like see here, these many data rows are there, and I want to see a particular name of the user. I know only the name of the user, and fetching and filtering the data rows is very pretty how it is. Just see here, this is the basic like a SQL select statement, and writing here it's a where class, and following up the column name, first underscore name, and spacing and specifying here is an equal to operator, and specifying to single quotes in between we have to specify the data. It's in the first column, and now see here execute it first and we'll see the only one particular row which is matched with the column first column name and value of the particular row. This is I have specified there. If it is not matched, what happens? You just try yourself. There is a no data row. All right, and now you just see here execute the statement. We are able to getting the data row only one row. That is the way, and that is the easiest way to filter the data rows from the data table. Instead of using and rating all the database data rows, like a table data rows, we can apply where class to filter the data rows as our wish to filter by applying like a equal to operator, less than or equal to, not equal to, and all. Okay, now by adding one more here, like what I can add here, I'm comparing with and logical operator. Just see here, adding here at the end of the column, the continuation of the where clause, the condition I'm extending by applying and operator. What it will do, the logical operator, it will be comparing first column along with the second column I'm making as an and. I want to compare both columns and match the both columns. If the both columns are matched in the data row, then only you will fetch the data. Like the second column, it is the last name, and that equal to the data parameter. It is like a BURKS. I'll minimize it. Yes, it is. Okay, you can take this as the minimization. Now you just see comfortably. Okay, and select star from all the column names from the sales customers table, and where I'm filtering, I'm making is in a filter condition here. What is my where condition? Like a where class condition, it is first name is this is, and accurately the spelling should be true, and the and by using the and logical operator, and the last name it is this. If it is matched to both criteria, the conditions are both are true, then only you will get as an output. Let's see here. See, that's true. Both are true. So it is getting as a result set. This is the row I'm able to getting. If anyone is ever, yeah, if I add one more, no, it's a false, it is the condition is false, then it is true. So and will says that if it is both are true, then only the result set will comes as a true, like a true true, true false, false true, false false. This is the way of the logical operators will follow the conditions. Okay, now what I can say that my criteria, anyhow, the output should be, the data row should be, I want to get it, but I know the only the first name, but I don't know exactly, I don't know the last name, or vice versa. If I don't know the last name, if I know the last name, I don't know the first name, vice versa, it can be possible. So what I can do here by applying in where class, what I'll do, like a specifying or the logical operator or, and if I add a first name one more a, I don't know why, because exactly which is the exact accurate name. I know the works only the last name. So if I execute, I'll be able to get the data as an output. Now let's see, by applying the OR operator, it says something could not be found. Stored procedure, it says that. Now let's see here, something is went with this here. Let's see, if I applied OR operator over here and execute the statement, wow, we are getting 3 rows here. How it is? Yes, the last name, the 3 rows of the last name is matching for 3 data rows. From this, out of 1400 something data rows are available in this table, and here it is getting 3 rows. Now any one of the data row which is accurately for the user, we can appropriately take an action for this. That is the way we can get multiple data records from the database. Now the similarly first one I know very well, and last name I don't know how it is, so I'm adding something there and executing. This is the first row accurately appear here. That is the way while applying and or operators to fetching the logical data from the logical way to filter the data records from the database accurately. And one more thing I can simply tell you, like in the first name, I know like using in operator where we are filtering the data rows. But this is the table. It's a simple example. What I can specify here, like eliminating from this all the things and equal to also I'm repeating where first name in making this way, comma, three something different names, URKS, Bergs, and any, if you know some names and you want to fetch all the similar names from the database, which the column is having these keywords in the first name, all the data records will becomes to your as an output. Like let's see, and there's one more name I don't know what it is, like Mary I can put it, yes. Okay, now let's just run it and execute. Now let's see here, yes, Mary is there. Unfortunately, I have given the Mary name, whereas I'm able to getting the Mary record as well. Really great. See, here in the first name, the where I have specified the first name, if it is matching this keyword, I want to get as a result set. That is my where clause condition. Using the in operator, we'll making as a multiple column data values, and we can, it may be the number of columns you can specify here. At the same time, you are fetching the group of the data like a student's data from the database. All you have to put the names, that's it. Any one of the name you can guess it, and you can specify the names as you wish to. It may be the name of the spelling like this or like this, or all the things you can put here and make it as in a first column name. It's not in a first column name, or any column name or any date also you can specify here, making the in operator, and you can specify the data values like making it like a single quote with the comma based values it's required. Why? The query is will be verified by one. If the data row is matching with the data as based on your criteria of the condition, if the matched row is there, it will be fetch you for yourself and it will be show you as a result set over here. It is showing. All you seen here? Likewise. And if you want to add more, like making as in a comma and comma things, a robot, let's just say FI. Yes, there is no robot is there in this database. All right. That is the way while preparing and applying where clause to filter the data rows only. And most of the database table and SQL queries will use this like a filtering of the data rows, and no one can want to directly select star from data, and those want to prepare for the like all the table data rows. It will be drag you and like what I can say simple words it is degrades the performance of SQL Server performance as well as your application performance. So avoid such making as a star indicators like the complete database table data to avoid and make you the where class conditions to filter the data rows and fetch as you wish. I hope you have a good idea and you may be familiar how to prepare for where clauses in combination of a select statement and using of equal to operator, in operator, and and or logical operators. How to apply? You have seen very clearly. In our next lecture, we'll see like a between, like, and in operator separately. We have enough more sessions for you to easy to understand more and more. I hope you understand better way. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.